Hey, what's up guys? If you want to make your desktop look like this, just follow these simple steps. Go to the Chrome and open this wallpaper flare website and download any wallpaper. There are so many wallpapers inside. I am going to download this one. After that, go to the Rainmeter website and download this. After that, go to the Rainmeter skin and download this skin. Then go to the Windows search bar and type Microsoft Store and open it up, and now type Selenium UI in it and download this Selenium UI. After downloading, close this tab and go to the Windows search bar and type Selenium UI. It will automatically make your desktop and go to the view and uncheck the show desktop icons. After that, go to the download and install the Rainmeter app. Then go to download and apply your wallpaper. That is pretty much for this video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.